Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you're asking yourself, or better yet, wanting to ask me, what are the best crystals to have around you to attract success? You landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you my favorite crystals to have around you to attract success in all different ways. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives manifesting techniques in all different ways. So please support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. And if you do like this video and you want to see more, the only thing I'm asking you to do is watch the next video. So now, if you want to know what are the best crystals to keep around you to attract success in your life, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about crystals and how they can help you attract success in your life? Now, listen, crystals itself have their own vibration, and they can be used to be around you to help change your vibration to bring in things that you want to manifest in your life. So now when we're talking about success, we're basically talking about growth. And when we talk about growth, we're talking about the sun. So you're going to see a lot of these crystals are going to be like yellow. They're going to be orange. They're going to be more of the lower chakras where we have our creativity and our success and our balance and our stability. All of these things resonate with success, and you're going to see that. Now, the first crystal that I want to mention that is a must-have if you're trying to build success, and that is the citrine. The citrine goes along with the sun. Now, this crystal here is great for joy. It's great for wealth. It's great for prosperity. It's called the merchant stone. This is a crystal that if you have a business, it's a must to have in that area. Again, the citrine represents luck, prosperity, wealth, anything you can talk about when it comes down to success. So when we're talking about money success, business success, citrine has to be your number one on your list. Now, my number two is something that I mentioned a whole lot, and that is green aventurine. Now, when we're talking about green aventurine, we're talking about prosperity. We're talking about good luck. We're talking about luck when it comes down to games like lotto, like the casino. This is a powerful crystal when you're talking about success with business, career success, money, anything dealing with abundance. This is the crystal to have. So basically, for me, this after the citrine would be basically my number two crystal to have around with me when it comes down to dealing with success. Now, the next crystal looks just like the green aventurine, and it is the jade. This is another crystal that represents luck, everyone. It also has like a protective barrier with it, but it's mainly used for luck. Now, my fourth crystal is my all-time favorite crystal, everyone. 24 hours, 7 days a week. And if you know me, you know I don't leave my house without it. And that is the tiger's eye, everyone. Wow. I just love this crystal. Why? Because it has many different properties, you guys. To me, this is the all-in-all crystal. This is the crystal that offers protection, luck, courage, self-esteem, any motivation, anything that has to do with success. This crystal here represents all. When I think of this crystal, I think of the tiger, I think of the lion, I think of the cheetah, I think of all of these things when I think of the tiger's eye. Let me tell you, when it comes down to being successful, this is the crystal I will tell you right now. I would not leave home without it. Now, let me give you my fifth crystal, which is very similar to the tiger's eye. The tiger iron, everyone, looks just like the tiger's eye, but it has a mixture of a couple of things. It is the tiger's eye with the hematite and the red jasper all into one. So this crystal here is not only protecting you, not only helping you with courage and motivation and inspiration, it's also helping you with creativity. It's also giving you the sun, it's giving you growth, it's giving you prosperity, and it's giving you balance. All of this is in the tiger iron. And it is another crystal that you can have around you to bring in abundance. Now, my sixth crystal is the Carnelian, everyone, and it is an orange crystal. Listen, when it comes down to creativity, courage, prosperity, this is the crystal to have along with you. If you're growing a business, building a business, starting a new career, whatever it is you're trying to do, Carnelian is the crystal to carry around with you. You may see a lot of people when it comes down to business having this as a necklace, having it as a bracelet. But after watching this video, you will actually know what it means. When it comes down to Carnelian, everything just grows, just like the citrine. It represents the sun, and it is the crystal for growth. So when you're talking about creativity, expansion, success, Carnelian is my number 6 stone. Now, my number 7 stone is my Bloodstone, everyone. This is a beautiful crystal. It's green and red, and I just love it. When you're talking about the Bloodstone, we're talking about good luck. We're talking about money. We're talking about success. We're talking about everything, victory, anything to do with you being successful in your life. The Bloodstone is another crystal or stone that you can use to attract that in your life. Now, my 8th stone is the opalite, better yet known as glass opal. This is a stone of success, business success, of wealth, of smooth transitions. So whatever it is you're doing, whether it's dealing with communication, building your business, building wealth, this is the crystal also to have. Now, the last crystal that I want to mention to you is a crystal that is a powerful protector, but at the same time, it's a crystal that brings in wealth, prosperity at the same time. And this is the black tourmaline. Now, listen, this is a crystal like the tiger's eye that has different properties. This is a crystal that if you wanted to pick something that is going to protect you and at the same time bring in wealth, the black tourmaline would be my pick. Again, this is another crystal that is one of my favorite that I try not to leave home without it. Now, as a bonus, I want to tell you guys about a couple of other crystals that basically are excellent for attracting success in your life. And I'm going to do that briefly. The Sunstone is one of my crystals. It's orange and milky. This is a crystal, again, that brings in luck, that brings in success, brings in wealth. And it's a crystal that I think a lot of people overlook, and it is a very powerful one. Now, another crystal that I would say is a great crystal to have to bring in success, and that is the Aqua Aura. It's a beautiful blue crystal, and it represents communication. But this crystal, in this case, not only represents communication, but it also represents focus, everyone. And you know, in order to be successful in your life, you have to be a person that could be focused. And this is the crystal for focus. Another stone that I do want to mention that is the master stone of them all, and that is the Clear Quartz, you guys. Remember what I said before. No matter what, the Clear Quartz can be programmed to do anything. On top of that, it enhances and supercharges anything that is connected to. So no matter what crystal you're working with, it's always good to add a Clear Quartz to supercharge whatever it is that you're doing. Now, the last crystal as a bonus that I want to give to you for those people that are still here, and that is my lodestone, everyone. People do not know about this stone, and I will tell you right now. This is the manifesting stone. This is the attractor. This crystal here is the stone that basically attracts into your life whatever it is that you want. So no matter what it is you're trying to do, you can use a lodestone and program it for whatever it is you want and carry it around with you. It is just that simple. Now listen, I'm not telling you guys to go out there and get all of these crystals. I'm telling you to basically find what resonates with you. Use it, put it in your house, put it in your office, put it in your bag, and program it to do what it is that you want in your life, okay? So if you want success, program your crystals to bring in success, to put you in the right place at the right time. It is just that simple. You can carry it. You can wear it as jewelry. Listen, there's so many things to do, and I just gave you everything right here in this one video. So everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you some of the most powerful crystals you can carry around with you to attract success. If you want any of these crystals, please look in the description, go to the store, it's all there. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell so you can get notifications of my up and coming videos. And most of all, keep watching the videos, people. Other than that, blessings to you all and namaste.